Simple thing this moment.
Yeah,
man.
Look at my lovely neighbour. This is one of my neighbours, Kenroy.
Morning.
Fixing the pipe, it keeps falling off. Simple to you, but you see, using a hacksaw even without the other bits, just the blade. I'm really blessed with my neighbours. They all look after me. You make these things look really easy.
Hey. You say you know something? You know something, mommy?
Yeah.
That's that type of problem.
Okay.
And we need to don't know it, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. But we Jamaican, we try to learn everything.
I can see.
Monitor thing.
I can see.
We'll cut it here so now push on the next one and put it in.
Okay.
Yeah, my king.
Hi, Romain. This is, yeah. That's who I was talking about.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I understand. See it now, mommy?
I probably wouldn't have done it that way, but obviously I'm not the the expert. Ooh.
Sorry.
It's all right. Accidents happen.
But me I tell you say no. My mom is in London, you know.
Okay. I meant to ask you whereabouts.
Yeah, my mom is in Norwood.
Oh, okay.
Norwood?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So how long has she been there?
Years. She's gonna come June.
Okay.
June she's gonna be here.
Oh, I'd like to meet her.
I will ask Miss Joan about her.
Okay.
Miss Joan, she will tell you.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll go call her and bring her over here
Okay.
and let you see.
Oh, looking forward to meeting her.
Alright. Just like that. And like that.
And then that's it.
That's it.
All done.
All done.
Bless you. Bless you, neighbour.
Here's this stuff.
Look at that for neighbour. That's the neighbours. They look after me. Oh, bless you.
That's a thing now.
So underneath here was leaking like crazy. You can see where it's all rotting. Rotting.
You have no light down there, Dennis?
What do you need?
Light. You have no light down there?
Lot. What's
One bitch like this.
lot? I don't know what. No. Oh, you mean a piece of wood? Can them the boards used up there?
Me don't come.
Oh. That's Delbert. Say hi to the viewers, Delbert. That's my lovely neighbour. And he's a roofer and he's come over to look at it for me. Thank you. You're a godsend. So the water was going underneath the zinc and it's just gone in the catchment. rotten in it. The water's rotten all the walls. Imagine that coming down. God won't make that happen to me. So I needed a plumber. No, I'm on video. Yeah, I needed a plumber and... Oh! It's coming out here. Oh, turn it off. Woo. I'll turn the pipe. Oh, I was wondering what happened there. Powerful. The water's coming out.
Oh.
Can you see what I mean? Yeah. So we needed to get the water in the tank before the plumber could know where the leaks are. So we got that done. So yeah, it was on my way back from the library. You can carry on. On my way back from the library, I just got talking to somebody down the road and introduced myself. I always see him and we always say hi. But I introduced myself to him and I goes, do you know any plumbers by any chance? He goes, yeah, my dad. I went, oh! I says, because I need somebody. And they're filling up?
Yeah.
So is there any leaks in the pipes?
Yeah, I leak right here.
Okay, yeah. Yes, it is. So how can that be? So you don't want this one filling up then?
Yeah, this one is filling up.
But we don't need it filling up if that's got to... Can that fix with the water in it?
Turn it off.
Turn it off. Yeah, so here's his dad. Very super efficient and very cost friendly. 20 quid. So that was good. And yeah, got me water. Loads of water. So that can we get that thing? So you know that it's that black thing, isn't it, that's leaking?
Yeah.
So do they sell those replacements?
It can be fixed.
Oh, it could be fixed.
Yeah, we just need tightening.
Okay.
Maybe this going in there.
Okay.
That's all final.
Oh, you're going to do that then? Yeah. Okay, brilliant. Up and running because I've got my 2 guests in now and
Yeah.
the first day for the one. So at least you can have a shower.
Yeah.
Well, they can both have a shower.
Okay.
Thank you very much indeed.
Yeah.
Yeah, so the mower's doing very good. And the cows are back. Oh, God. Just eat what I don't want. Please leave everything else. So that fence will have to be sorted out, really. But yeah, the mower's doing a very good job. And my neighbour, Romaine, he's been so helpful. Yeah, and the guest, she bought some stuff for him, which was really nice. So yeah, the work continues. And got the plumber coming to finish off because guys, I pumped all the water up and I could hear all this gushing, so a pipe had pulled apart. Yeah, the pipe had come out. It'll all get sorted. Rome wasn't built in a day. I think it was this one. That pipe just came pushed out, so I think it needs to be glued. Or was it that one? One of them anyway. So yeah, it's been a bucket job for the guests. They're so understanding. I'm so thankful to God for me having them as guests. But they understand these things can happen. And the main thing is that they've had a supply of water. So that's been good. It's having a wee. It's having a wee wee. No, it's okay. Oh, so you put it on already? Oh, you haven't put the bottom bit on already?
No.
Oh, okay. So, Mr. Kelly, what's that?
Hard water.
Hard water out the tank.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Wow. So there you go. That was in the bottom of the tank. That's what we're washing ourselves with. Bathing. Oh, okay. So it's all clean now?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. I wonder what the next one looks like.
Well, you'll see it just like that.
So it go. All right. Oh, no, yeah.
I'm gonna see all of it.
You did. This is just a little bit of it. How thick is that? It is sand, isn't it? And that's what's coming into our bodies.
When me see first I want bucket me have up a yard and when me do so me feel running. Me tell me right, it don't feel like sand so.
It's the loads of chlorine.
It's glory farm because it's hard water.
Okay. That's why when you're washing up, you don't get much sud, do you? I wish I could see up there, but I dare not walk up there. Then again, I might get me other shoes and try. That's the top, but
You can see it.
that's the top. So not really, but that's okay. Okay. As long as it hasn't crystallised. They said it can crystallise. It hasn't crystallised.
Can't.
Yeah.
No.
Oh, thank God for that. There weren't any water in there? Oh, this is how you wash the tanks out.
Yeah.
I didn't know. Okay.
So any dust also in the
Yeah. Well, oh wow. Oh my gosh. Oh. No wonder sometimes the water comes out brown. Oh yeah, it was coming out like that the other day. Yesterday. Oh wow. You need some more fresh water? You need some more? Or is that alright now?
Yeah, it is.
You need more? Okay. No leaks! No more leaks anywhere, Mr. Kelly.
No.
So,
Yeah, and the front here is leaking. You see your water leaking.
oh,
From the front,
how's that gonna? What's gonna happen there?
There's a guy who fixed pump up the road. You want me to get in
Yeah, please.
sometime for you? I'm going to set it for